and when I, you know what, when I said death, I found out that almost all of you, just became silent. I don't know why, and I think this is one of the topics or the things that we don't want to talk about. For death, finances, religion, we don't want to talk about it. But it's a given fact. All of us will go through it. All of us. Nobody escapes. And we should have to plan on how or when death comes. It's not, I take note, I'm not saying if death comes, I said when death comes, because it's inescapable. We cannot escape death. What mark will you leave? Have you thought about it? For me, I thought about it. Actually, I made my
Bucket list.
I made a last will and testament. Yes, because yes, that's why all of us will die. And if you will die and you have your partner doesn't know what you have, or you know what happens when a person dies, especially a rich person, what happens to their children? They're fighting because they're
Even if they're alive, rebellion.
yeah, because they have no, their parents don't
The
have,
parents still alive, they're shooting each other because of the money.
yeah. And that's what we should do. We should prepare for death. This is just, we are just pilgrims here. That's what we should put in our minds. And it's